Originally, I started out using a Speedglass 9100 XX, and partway through I decided that I needed to go to an air-fed system. Looking at all the options, the Optrel had the best battery life, had good makeup, it was nice and light on the head. The helmet felt really good when you're wearing it. Wasn't too bulky, wasn't too heavy, so it was an easy decision to go with the Optrel. I went for the Panoramaxx just to get a bit more peripheral vision as well. I like to feel like I've got a nice open view, and looking through that one really served that purpose. The other fact of it having the adjustable shade as well, so it's able to adjust depending on how you're looking at your weld too, is a really good thing. If you're sneaking around the side of a pipe or the likes, you want that little bit more light transmission than when you're steering straight at it. And the grind mode as well, so you just hit the button on the side of the helmet and you're away. Go sharpen your tungsten if you need to. Walk around the workshop, it's light enough that you don't actually have to flick your hood up to walk around, which is really cool. You don't need the front flip. With the shade on the Optrel, it's light enough that you can just walk around and your face is close enough to the screen and you get that peripheral vision that it all makes sense. You can see where you're going, you don't feel like you're enclosed. Really good for that. So with the weight of the Optrel itself, you don't feel it tugging on the back of your neck, especially with the air-fed systems. Some of the other brands, they can feel heavy on your head and feel like they're tugging your back, whereas this one sits really nicely whether you're in different positions or sitting down. It's more comfortable. The airflow range, being 3 different ranges there, can really get a feel for it. If you're getting a cold face, you can notch it down, or if it's not bringing enough air in, you can fire it up a bit more. So obviously 3 different settings for the airflow, but yeah, battery life is a big thing. You can go through your whole day, 2 days, without needing to bloody charge your battery, which is really good. I enjoyed the air-fed system so much that I decided I'd get a standard Panoramaxx as well, just for doing all the light work and non-production stuff. Just jobbing work mainly, tacking, really light on the head. This has got the new clear view on it as well, so really light colour. It's awesome with the shade adjustment, being able to move from one side to another. You got up and down of plus or minus 1 or 2 shades, depending on where you are and what you're positioning, and it'll automatically adjust for that. Also the solar system in it, charging off the weld as well. It's awesome. I've only charged it twice in the last 3 years. Yeah, it's really good.